Today, we're breaking down the latest updates in the ongoing criminal case involving Shawn Diddy Combs. It's a case that's captivated public attention for months, and with good reason. There's a lot to unpack. If you're just tuning in, don't worry, I'll catch you up on the major details and recent developments. What are the charges? To set the stage, Diddy, the music mogul and multimillionaire, was arrested in September by federal authorities in New York. His charges include 1. Racketeering conspiracy, 2. Sex trafficking by force, fraud or coercion, 3. Transportation to engage in prostitution, and these allegations stem from events that allegedly occurred over a span of years. The accusations include a disturbing pattern of behavior, including coercing women into sexual acts, distributing drugs, and recording exploitative encounters. A timeline of key events. Let's briefly recap how we got here. November 2023. Diddy's ex-girlfriend, Cassandra Ventura, files a bombshell lawsuit accusing him of abuse during their relationship. This lawsuit sparks a cascade of others. March 2024. Federal agents raid 2 of Diddy's properties, seizing guns and electronic evidence. May 2024. A video surfaces showing Diddy allegedly assaulting Ventura in 2016. 2 days later, he issues a public apology. September 2024. He's arrested on federal charges and denied bail. Since then, Diddy has been detained at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, awaiting trial. Recent updates. Let's dive into what's been happening recently. 1. Discovery evidence. The prosecution has indicated they'll turn over all evidence to the defense by the end of the year, though there are some caveats. They're still working on extracting data from seized electronic devices. Out of 96 devices taken during the raids, 8 reportedly contain over 90 terabytes of data, an enormous amount to sift through. 2. Brady material. The defense has argued that the prosecution hasn't adequately disclosed exculpatory evidence, also known as Brady material. This includes anything that could potentially prove Diddy's innocence. Prosecutors, in turn, say they're fulfilling their obligations, even handing over files related to Victim 1, who is believed to be Cassandra Ventura. 3rd. Superseding indictment. There's speculation that the prosecution might bring additional charges or amend the existing indictment. While the government hasn't revealed much, they've assured the court that any changes wouldn't disrupt the May 2025 trial date. Key arguments from the defense. Diddy's legal team has focused on attacking the vagueness of the racketeering charge. They've hinted at filing a motion for a bill of particulars, which would require the prosecution to itemize specific allegations. For example, what specific incidents are they referring to when they mention kidnapping or arson? The bigger picture. The defense has consistently argued that Diddy's relationship with Ventura was toxic but consensual, not a case of trafficking. They've also claimed that incidents described by prosecutors, such as a 2016 altercation caught on tape, are being mischaracterized. On the other hand, the prosecution alleges that Diddy's behavior was part of a broader criminal enterprise, citing incidents like the alleged arson of a vehicle tied to rapper Kid Cudi. What's next? The next court date is set for March 17, 2025. For now, Diddy remains in custody, and with trial preparation underway, we can expect more legal maneuvers from both sides. One thing is clear. This case is complex, and with mountain of evidence still to be reviewed, the May trial date will be here before we know it. Stay tuned as we continue to break down the facts and developments.